How to delete Facebook activity log all at once. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to delete Facebook activity log all at once. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Facebook app on your device. Make sure to sign in to your account. Tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down. Tap Settings and Privacy option. Now tap Settings option. Scroll down. You need to locate the option for Activity Log under your activity. Now select Activity History at top right corner of the screen. And from this section, you will see all your visits and searches on your activity history of Facebook. To delete, simply select the three dots beside any kind of activity history and then tap on Delete button. To confirm, select Delete option. In order to delete Facebook activity log all at once, come back to the Settings section and then tap on the Account Center at top of the screen. Scroll down, select Your Information and Permission option and choose your activity of Meta Technologies. Select Clear Previous Activity option and choose Clear button at top right corner of the screen. You need to open Facebook app and then if you have any activity to clear, you will easily delete all Facebook activity log all at once. Since currently I have no any available activity to clear, that's why the notification has been showed. If you have, it will all delete your Facebook activity log all at once. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.